Welcome to our lecture online. Sometimes one of the expressions doesn't look like a rational expression, and in a way you're correct, except we can rewrite it like this. So this could be rewritten as 2x minus 3 divided by 1, and now it is a rational expression, plus x over x plus 5. And now again we use the same rules. We're going to need a common denominator, which looks like it's going to be x plus 5, so we need a little bit more room here. So this is equal to 2x minus 3 over 1, and let's extend this, put parentheses around that, and now you can see that, well, let me put the rest of it down, plus x over x plus 5, and now you can see that we're missing an x plus 5 in the denominator. So let's multiply the denominator by x plus 5. And of course, that means we're going to multiply the numerator by x plus 5 as well. So now we can see that we have the common denominator. We can write everything now over that common denominator. So this is equal to 2x minus 3 times x plus 5 plus x all divided by x plus 5. And now all we have to do is multiply everything in the numerator, collect common terms, and factor something if possible. So this becomes 2x times x, which is 2x squared, 2x times 5, which is plus 10x, like that. Now we multiply the minus 3 times x, which is minus 3x, and the minus 3 times a positive 15, which is minus 15, and we still have the plus x here, all divided by x plus 5. So let's continue up here. Now collecting common terms, we have a 2x squared. We have plus 10x minus 3x. Let's see here. 2x minus 3x. That's 10x minus 3x. That's 7x plus 7x. And then we have minus 15. But then we still have a plus x. And all that divided by x plus 5. And so finally, we can say that this is 2x squared plus 8x minus 15 over x plus 5. Now we might be able to factor that, but let's see here. So this is we can get this by multiplying a 3 times a 5. 3 times 5 is 15. If we make the positive of 5, then 2 times 5 is 10, minus 3 is 7. That won't work. And if we make that a negative, that won't work. We can't factor that. Or you can try that, but it's not factorable. So this then becomes the final answer. And that is how it's done.